Assalamualaikum and good day. I am your teacher Ms. Maruk Malik from Multan Public School and College. From your book Oxford Primary Mathematics 3, chapter number 4 is length. Lesson number 1, length in meters and centimeters. Lesson number 2, length in kilometers and meters. Lesson number 3, solving word problem. Today we will discuss only lesson number 1, length in meters and centimeters. Length. What is length? The measured distance from one end to another end of an object. एक चीज़ के एक कॉर्नर से दूसरे कॉर्नर के फासले को लेंथ कहते हैं. आपकी हाइट भी लेंथ में काउंट होती है. किसी भी रोड के फासले को भी मेजर करना लेंथ कहलाता है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ. पुराने दौर में पुराने तरीक़ों से लेंथ को मेजर किया जाता था, जिनको हम नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स कहते थे. इनसे मेजर करने पे हमें कोई एग्जैक्ट वैल्यूज़ नहीं मिलती होती थी. राइट आंसर्स हमेशा नहीं होते थे. Those are non-standard units were handspam, palm, digit, cubit, pace. What is pace? Pace is your walking distance. One step is or two step, that is called pace. Foot spam, arm spam. पुराने दौर में टाइम यानी डे को कैसे मेजर करते थे? पीरियड बिटवीन डे लाइट एंड डार्कनेस. दिन की रोशनी और रात तक के बीच को वो दिन कहते होते थे. और उन्हें कैसे पता चलता था महीना कैसे ख़त्म हो गया? जब चांद निकलता था, पूरा होता था, फिर वो कम होने लग जाता था. जब वो ख़त्म हो जाता था तो उन्हें पता चलता था कि महीना ख़त्म हो गया है. टाइम या दिन को वो ऐसे भी मेजर करते होते थे कि अगर उन्होंने कहीं फासला तय करना है, एक शहर से दूसरे शहर जाना है, तो काउंट करते थे कितने सूरज निकले हैं. अगर वो मुल्तान से खानेवाल जा रहे हैं तो वो काउंट करते थे कि 5 सूरज मतलब 5 टाइम्स सन्स निकलेगा और इतने दिन में हम पहुंच जाएंगे. लेकिन अब नाउ डेज वी मेजर लेंथ बाय डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स like meter rule, measuring tape, and many more of instruments. Those are very advanced and can give us a standard unit and standard values. I am giving you an activity. There will be a desk in front of you. Use your hand span to measure the length of the desk. What result did you get? Is it accurate? Do you think there is need for standard measurement? Yes, because my hand span is greater than your hand span and there will be the distance issue. Okay? So for this we will study some more units. Assalamualaikum and good day. I am your teacher Ms. Maruk Malik from Multan Public School and College. Lesson number 1, lengths in meters and centimeters. Today we will study two units of length, meter and centimeter. There is a connection between meter and centimeter, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Dear students, I have already told you that meter is a greater the unit than centimeter. Okay, so 100 centimeters we need to make 1 meter, and you can learn this table. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeter, 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeter, 5 meters is equal to 500 centimeter, 6 meters is equal to 600 centimeter, 7 meters is equal to 700 centimeter, 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeter, 9 meters is equal to 900 centimeter, and 10 meters equal to 1000 centimeters. This table will help you in further slides to solve your questions. The length of the table is more than 1 meter. How can we measure the length of table? Now we have a table in front of us and its length is more than 1 meter, means more than 100 centimeter. Getting? So we have to find the length of that table. How much more than 1 meter is there? Let's learn from your book, page number 117. We use a measuring tape to measure lengths of more than 1 meter. बच्चे, आप अक्सर कपड़ों वाली शॉप पे गए होंगे, उनके पास एक लंबी सी रॉड होती है जिसको यूज़ करके वो आपको कपड़े को मेजर करते हैं और वो आपको उसकी कटिंग करके देते हैं. That rod is of 1 meter. If you want more measurement of that, you need to have the rod more than 1 meter. Getting? So in 1 meter you can see that 100 centimeters are there. See the dotted circle and yellow scale. There is written 99, after that it is written 100. Means 1 meter rod is equal to 100 centimeter. Question number 2. The length of the table is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Now they are telling us a table length is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. What is the length of the table in centimeters? You can convert meters into centimeters and centimeters into meters. In this question they are saying convert your 1 meter 20 centimeter answer into centimeters. Look at this diamond shape. First of all they have written 1 meter and 20 centimeter. In 1 meter 100 centimeters are there, or we can write 1 meter, and in 20 centimeter 20 centimeters are there. 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeters equal to 120 centimeters. You have converted meters and centimeters into centimeters. 1 meter and 20 centimeter equals 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeters equal to 120 centimeter. We can also say that the length of the table is 120 centimeter. Come to page number 118. We use a measuring tape to measure Tom's height. Tom's height is 135 centimeter. I have already told you your height is also counted in length. What is his height in meters and centimeters? Now they have given you the height of Tom in centimeters. They want you to convert it into meter and centimeter. You know the interconnection of meter and centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You can write 135 centimeter. From 135 centimeter, you can take out your 100 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. And 100 centimeter, you know that, is equal to 1 meter and 35 centimeter. And you can take this help from your diamond shape, and you can tell the answer of Tom's height is 1 meter and 35 centimeter. Arrange 6 books to form a long row on the floor. You are putting 6 books on the floor, and now you have to measure the length of that 6 books. The length of the book is 150 centimeter. You can write it in meter and centimeter. 1 meter is and 50 centimeter long. Those books' length are. Let's practice. Question number 1 of book, page number 119. What is the length of minibus in centimeter? Look at the blue circle. The minibus is about 5 meter and 30 centimeter long. We know that 5 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 500 centimeters. So the minibus length in centimeter is 530 centimeter. Page number 120. What is the height of the tree in meters and centimeters? I am telling you, height is also counted in length. They have given you the length of or height of tree in 450 centimeter. 457 centimeter. 400 centimeters equals to 4 meter and 57 centimeter. You can take the help of that chart that I have taught you before in the slide. Question number 3. Now they are telling you the length of this wood, that it is 170 centimeter. You have to tell the answer in meter and centimeter. The 170 centimeter is giving the answer by itself, that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and other centimeters are counted separately. So our length of this wood is 1 meter and 70 centimeter long. Write your answers. 5 meter and 7 centimeter in centimeters is 507 centimeter. B part. 300 centimeter is in centimeter is 3 meter. 701 centimeter in meters and centimeter is 7 meter and 1 meter. Now you are able to do the worksheet of your book 3A, worksheet 1, page number 125 to 128. Thank you and good luck.